Okay, so take two. I'm trying to re-record how I'm going to prepare the crabs. The crabs I got from the camping place where I was having a crab trap, and I caught like a dozen crabs. You can see they're still alive and fresh, and that's what you want to do. You can freeze them so that they kind of pass out, and you can prepare them. That's like a humane way, or you can put them in the boiling water. Immediately they kind of will die. That's how you prepare. The body had to be cleaned. That's the body. That's two legs, and I'm going to show you how you do it. Okay, you just need a little knife, right? All right, let's do it. Put my camera somewhere so I can use my hands. Okay. You throw them away. You throw this away. These soft things. These soft things, you throw them away. So that's how it looks when you clean it up. That's the body. That has the muscles, the meat around the abdomen area. This is a male. I only caught the male crab. That's how you know it's a male. It's a sharp. You see the sharpness, that narrow point? That's a male, right? For a female, it'll be roundish. It won't have this sharpness. It'll be just roundish. That's a female, so it's a male. See, almost look like a penis. Nature knows it. What's a male and a female, right? By design, the design is like that. And that's just the design of the abdomen, right? So cleaned out. Same thing, keep on doing with the crabs you have. And the legs are good to eat just like that. Of course, you have to take the shell off during eating, but you can just boil them, prepare any way you want. good to go. See. Okay, that's about it. That's how you prepare the crab to eat. Yeah, well, it's, you know, if you're vegetarian, yeah, it's not for you, but it's just part of nature. You gotta eat, and sometimes you eat protein and fish and crabs and whatever living things you are okay to eat, right? And if you're vegetarian, great. Then you can eat something that is, providing you nutrition and which is also good that you like to eat. It's not like you don't like to eat. But yeah, it is a little hard to kill the crabs. I give you that. Because those crabs just look like cute little aliens. You see how cute they look? They do look like very cute little aliens, but well, I like crab. I eat them. Anyway, so that's how you do it. Easy peasy. You'll be licking your fingers really good. But yeah, some people do cook the legs. I cannot sometimes eat the legs if I don't really waste it because it does have a little bit meat, but not much. I just give it to the dogs and cat. They love it. They chew it up, so just leave it for dogs and cat. Otherwise, I can cook and eat it as well because once it's cooked, the cartilage becomes really soft. The shell becomes really soft. You can chew them. It has really good flavor and some meat in there, just a little bit, but it's good. But most of the meat is on the legs and the body, the midsection. So that's how you do it. Well, ready. Nice day.